Texas versus Austin. The fight over open carry now going to court. For the first time, Texas is suing a city over the new open carry law.
Attorney General Ken Paxton says he has given several warnings regarding people with guns inside City Hall.
KXAN's Kylie McGivern spoke to city leaders about what happens next.
This is a very big deal. This is going to set the stage for every city agency here in the state of Texas. If you're not following the law, the state of Texas will bring a lawsuit against you.
And the Attorney General's office says this is the first lawsuit of its kind, fighting against the wrongful exclusion of concealed handgun license holders. The city maintains it is unlawful to have a handgun on the premises of a government court, and municipal court has proceedings in City Hall. The city says it is prepared to defend the lawsuit. The owner of Central Texas Gun Works filed a complaint with the AG in April and is baffled by the city's decision to move forward.
They're willing to, use my tax dollars for this lawsuit? This is ridiculous. Follow the law.
Mayor Pro Tem Kathy Tovo says the city is supporting a lawsuit if that's what it takes to uphold public safety.
I believe that we're on the side of the right. Very often people who come into government buildings are doing so under emotional situations where there are disagreements, and having handguns is not terribly wise.
But Councilmember Don Zimmerman says the current situation is even more unnerving.
Not only is it a good idea to follow the law, but we've had too many stories lately about people targeting gun-free zones.
Commending the lawsuit as a step in the right direction.
And I'm going to be looking for some way to join that suit with some amicus brief or something, because it is something I wanted to do a year ago.
The beginning of a legal battle, no matter what side you're on, will come at a cost. In Austin, Kylie McGivern, KXAN News.
Paxton says he will always make sure governments do not trample on Second Amendment rights, and if they do, the state will sue. The AG is seeking $1,500 a day in civil penalties. And it's important to remember guns are still banned from several places in Texas. According to the state law, you cannot bring a weapon into a school, a racetrack, or a secured area of an airport. It is also illegal to carry at polling places on Election Day or during early voting. And guns are banned from a business that receives at least 51% of its revenue from alcohol sales.
This is a good reminder that the Texas campus carry law begins at public universities starting on Monday, August 1st. Since the legislature passed the bill, schools such as the University of Texas at Austin have been trying to set guidelines for their campus. While licensed handgun owners will be able to bring their weapons on campus, there are certain areas designated as gun-free zones. We have details at KXAN.com. Monday also marks the 50th anniversary of the deadly shooting from atop the UT Tower. Military veteran and UT student Charles Whitman killed his wife and mother in 1966 before heading to the UT campus. He killed 14 people and wounded more than 30 others. Whitman was killed by police at the tower's observation deck. The odd nature of the crime led to the direct creation of special weapons and tactics, or SWAT teams, at police agencies around the country.